Hi, I'm David Mon, product designer for Wilderness Systems. I'm going to talk to you about a new boat that we've got out, the Radar. It's offered in a 115 and a 135. Starting from the bow, we've got our injection molded handle, paddle rescue system here, our standard 8-inch Orbix hatch. We've got a fairly low profile deck on this boat. We've done that because of windage. We want to keep the thing as low as possible and be able to have places to mount other features onto the boat as well. So we move back into the cockpit area of the boat. We've got our Flexpod foot brace systems. This scupper box then moves out of the way and we're able to mount the Helix pedal drive in there. We're going to talk a little bit about this boat being designed to be able to use for paddling the boat, pedaling the boat, and with an electric motor. And so both of these spots are key in order to be able to function in all those things. If I have my motor drive system, I'm able to unlock this, pull out the Flexpod, put our Helix motor drive into here. This also works great for electronics, fish finders to be able to attach to this. This scupper box then moves out of the way and we're able to mount the Helix pedal drive in there. Now, if I have my motor drive in here and I still want to use electronics, I'm able then to put my electronics onto this scupper box, transducer fit on the bottom, battery cables inside, and our monitor on top. We've got a new hatch that we've come up with. It gives you access in here. It's a little larger than what we've had before. Better access in the boat that way. Because this boat is designed to stand and fish, we wanted something that was structurally strong enough that you could stand on this hatch. A couple other new features that we've got on it are these gear pockets on the side. If you've got bait, anything that you have that's loose and you want to be able to put it in these sides, you can do that. The seat, we have the AirPro Max seat in it. It's designed so it'll be able to adjust forward and aft. Cam buckle here on the side, you can adjust it, clamp it down, lock the seat in place. One of the features that we wanted to be able to have with this is so that the seat was easy to remove. Now you can move it from the front of the boat or behind the boat. Another thing that we've done is because people want to be able to stand and fish in this boat, you can pull this thing out and be able to stow the boat behind. So as it comes out, I can take it, that position there, and then be able to stand in the boat. And then when I'm ready to get back in it, I can just grab that, drop it back in place, line that back up, slide it in place, and the seat's locked back in place. Behind the seat, some other features that we put in this boat: quick access right behind the seat. It's another place where you can store in spare battery. Our tank well area, we've designed this to be able to be multifunctional, to be able to put in milk crates, black packs, just other gearboxes that you may have. It's conformed to be able to adapt to whatever you have and to be able to secure it in there, either with straps or using the bungee. Then we've got a place here in the back where you can put on our plate if you have a power pole, then our rudder system. The rudder system will be able to work for paddling the boat, pedaling the boat, or with the motor drive. We do have a new rudder control for that. We wanted to have something that was integrated into the side of the boat, low profile, so it wasn't going to get in the way if people are fishing on it, or if they want to sit sideways in the boat, they can still take their legs and go over the side of it. This is designed so that you can put it on either side of the boat. So it's up to you on which side you want to mount that on to control the boat. Also in that area, depending upon which side you're using that for, this acts as your paddle park system for the boat. I'm going to talk a little bit here about the hull design. We've got something new that we're calling Smart Hull Technology. We've got stability, maneuverability, acceleration, responsiveness, and tracking. Let's talk a little bit about the stability first. This boat's been designed with a pontoon style hull design here on the sides, allowing a lot of volume as wide as we can get that so that you've got a lot of stability in the boat. Maneuverability. Some of the key features to make this boat as maneuverable as possible. We wanted to have a nice rocker chine through this area, nice and crisp, and then trailing off on the back of the boat. What this allows this boat to be able to do is turn and be very responsive. We also have extended the bow as long as we can in the bow and also in the stern to help with the speed of the boat. And we wanted to have a boat that's going to react to what you are doing in the boat, wherever you're at. If you're trying to get something out of the bow hatch or in the stern and you're maneuvering around, we wanted to have a boat that would have a nice responsive hull that was going to react to whatever you're doing so that you feel comfortable So tracking, the key feature in this is a tri-hull design with a very pronounced keel line in the center of this. Again, this helps for our speed and our acceleration because we've got this running straight through the middle, giving us a long water line. It allows this boat to track very well so that you've got the speed that you want when you're going out to your favorite fishing spot.
Hi, I'm Adam. I'm the product manager for Wilderness Systems Kayaks. Here to talk to you today about the Helix pedal drive. We're super excited about this drive because it is a drive unlike any other on the market today. The Helix pedal drive is optimized to work with Wilderness Systems smart hull technology. It means we have a very efficient paddling hull, which means we also have a very efficient pedaling hull. The Helix PD is optimized for use with the Rudder System's radar.
The Helix PD is made out of aluminum casted shell with watertight seals. It has a 6:1 gear ratio along with a 14x17 pitch prop. We try to optimize it for distance and cruising speed. The gears are made to a high industrial standard for increased durability and longer lifetime without replacement. The Helix PD transfers autonomously to its zero draft position by use of a stainless steel constant force spring. While in the pedaling position, it's held securely in place by dual locking T-pins. Our pedal system has an increased crank length, which allows the user to pedal smoothly and with less effort in every stroke. This allows the user to stay out on the water while pedaling longer and further. Our drive also has a brush system that covers up the bottom of the scupper hole. This brush system reduces the cavitation and reduces the noise coming from the circulation of water from the prop.
The Radar is a really great paddling boat, and with the addition of the aftermarket Helix pedal drive system, you have a truly powerful combination. You have the pedal drive unit itself, the steering control, and the rudder all included. Look for the Radar and the Helix pedal drive system to be available early 2017 at a Wilderness Systems dealer near you.